Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Webull account for someone under 18. It's important to know that Webull requires all individual account holders to be at least 18 years old. This means a minor cannot directly open an investment account on their platform. While custodial accounts are a common way for young people to invest, Webull does not currently offer this specific account type. We'll explore what this means for aspiring young investors. Webull's policy states that the minimum age to open a brokerage account is 18 years old. This is a common requirement across many investment platforms due to legal and regulatory standards. Unfortunately, this means Webull does not offer any specialized account types, like custodial accounts, that would allow a minor to directly own investments on their platform. Adults opening accounts must provide valid identification and tax documents, such as a social security number. If you're under 18 and eager to start investing, there are excellent alternatives. Many other reputable brokerage firms, such as Fidelity and Charles Schwab, offer custodial accounts like UGMA or UTMA. These accounts allow a parent or legal guardian to open and manage investments on behalf of a minor. The assets within the account legally belong to the minor, but the adult maintains control over all trading decisions until the child reaches the age of majority, typically 18 or 21, depending on the state. Even without a direct Webull account, minors can still learn valuable investing skills. Webull offers a paper trading feature, allowing you to practice with virtual money and understand market dynamics. Alternatively, a trusted adult could open a personal Webull account in their own name and manage investments with the intention of transferring assets to the minor once they turn 18. The most crucial step is to focus on financial education and building a strong understanding of how investing works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.